Hi, so now I will talk about today that what is financialization and its effect on the Indian economy. Basically, this year economic survey, what is pointed out that financialization, if increase, financialization is increased in the economy, it will have some negative effect. So basically, let's break out the point. What is financialization? So basically, uh, financialization is the situation when there is over participation in the uh, financial market. And what is the financial market? Financial market is basically, mm, I can say that is stock market or bond market or insurance sector like this. So basically, as the stock market play a main role in financial sector, so basically we will consider the financial market as a stock market. So basically, what will happen if the financialization happen? Um, Financialization if does happen, so basically, the economic growth of the country will be mostly dependent on the rising price of the asset. And if something does happen, then the growth of the economy will dependent upon the rising price of the asset to offset the debt of the lenders who have taken the debt to invest in the market. So their dependent will be there on increasing asset prices. And other thing will happen that if over participation happen in the market, there then there will be a rise in speculation in the market and exacerbating the sentiments in the market that will be there. And these are the negative point of financialization. And the other thing which I want to point out that if due to over participation in the market, there will be a chance that people may run for short term gain or quick gain from the market. Because most of the people don't have the patience to hold on to the market for long term to make the real investment. So basically, if people continue to run for short term gain, so there will be a use of speculation or the sentiments of the market will be used to create a bubble in the market. So if something does happen, so there will be a uh, risk in the market. So basically, the risk will be there in the market for crashing the market in nearer terms or like that. So basically, these are the negative points of financialization. And also due to financialization, which may happen that the financial sector will be more prioritized in the economy than others sector of the economy. So there will be a I can say misallocation of the resources. And the other negative points will be the wealthier people. Basically, the wealthier people who have the who have more wealth, they will invest more in the market and they will get more. And other people will not be will stay behind from them in the race. From other people will basically stay behind and then the wealthier people to make the most of the financial raison. So wealthy people become more wealthier. So there will be a chance of wealth concentration. So and this is the another negative point of financialization. And the other thing I can point out that negative point of financialization, that is if the incentives in the financial market is more than the national growth aspiration. So if this thing does happen, so there will be a same thing. People to get the incentive more from the market. They will make crowd in the market. And due to their over participation in the market, what does happen? There will be a rise of market volatility in there. Basically, and how this will happen, if over participation happen, um, um, if due to over participation in the market, the use of speculation and sentiments in the market will be there. So there will be a chance of creating a bubble, and due to this, due to the because due to the false speculation and use of sentiments in the market to create a bubble, basically there will be a risk that the bubble may burst in near terms, or due to that there will be a risk of crash in the market. So in this way, the chance of volatility in the market will be there. And other thing I would like to point out that, mm, so, bigger pattern. Basically, if this over participation in the market continues to happen, there will be a chance of increasing liquidity in the market. Because as people will run in the market, people will try to gain the short term advantages from the market. So basically, they will buy or sell their asset in market more often. So this will increase the liquidity in the market. And other thing I would like to point out that there will be a chance that dependence on financial market for getting the funding will be there, and due to that the banking sector will be less prioritized. So there will be a negative effect on banking sector as well. And if this thing does happen, what will be the negative effect? I would like to say that the small enterprises which may not get the chance to get the funding from the financial market, they may be they will be more dependent on banking sector. Their interest will be hampered because they may not the small enterprises may not get the funding from the financial market. So, because financial market will prioritize more the bigger borrower. So there will be a negative effect for the small enterprises. And other thing I would like to point out that due to financialization, another thing may happen there, that there will be a increased cost of capital. Because if financialization happen, there will be a if due to financialization the market volatility does increase, liquidity does increase, there will be a chance of risks, perceived risks from the market. And to compensate the risks, the lender may lender have a, sorry due to the perceived risk, and to compensate the risks, borrowers have to pay more interest rate to the lender to get the secure funding. So basically, these all are the things, and these are the negative effects of financialization. Financialization is basically good for the economy, but if due to financialization the incentives from the market is outpacing the national growth aspiration, basically due to that, the uh, what I can what I can say, the market will be wrongly utilized. If this thing does happen, there will be a negative effect. And these negative effects are like those as I mentioned earlier. So that's all, and that's what I pointed out in the economic survey. Thank you.